Tired of manually copying Aisensy responses into spreadsheets? Let's automate that. This video will guide you through automatically logging Aisensy responses into an Excel sheet using integration platforms like Zapier or Pabbly Connect first. Make sure you have an Aisensy account, an Excel account with access to OneNote or Google Sheets, and a Zapier or Pabbly Connect account. Start by setting up a trigger in Zapier or Pabbly Connect based on new messages received in Aisensy. This will initiate the automation workflow every time a new response is received. In your chosen platform, select Aisensy as the trigger app and choose the new message event. Connect your Aisensy account and specify any relevant filters, such as a specific WhatsApp number or chatbot. Next, configure the action to send the data to your Excel sheet. Choose either Excel or Google Sheets as the action and select the Create Spreadsheet row event. Connect your Excel or Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet you want to use. Ensure your spreadsheet has column headers set up to receive the data, such as phone number, message content, and timestamp. Now, map the data from Aisensy to the corresponding columns in your Excel sheet. For example, map the sender's phone number from Aisensy to the phone number column in your spreadsheet. Repeat this process for other relevant data fields. Finally, test your workflow and turn it on. From now on, every new message received in Aisensy will automatically be logged in your Excel sheet, saving you time and effort. This automated system allows you to efficiently track and analyze customer interactions, empowering data-driven decisions like this video. Subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.